So you want a DRV Luxury Suite and you want a floor plan that's under 40 feet. Well, good news. I am here with Kyle Casper and we are actually in that floor plan. What floor plan is this?
So this is our 36RSSB.
Kyle and I are going to simply take you through the coach from the back all the way up to the front in the master suite. What's everybody going to see when they walk through this floor plan?
Yeah, so one thing that they're going to see back here is a sleeper sofa that is going to fold out into a queen.
Okay.
That'll accommodate, 2 or 3 extra people that want to come with you. Next to that, you're going to see the massage and heated electric theater seat that's adjacent from the entertainment center, where you're going to have a nice 34-inch fireplace, electric, so you're not going to have to worry about draining your propane or anything like that. And then this big 55-inch smart TV that's going to have a sound bar with it as well. Talking about the stove, we went away from that Furrion with the flip up, and we are giving the customers what they want, and that is the 4-burner range. Again, this is a big step up for mobile suites. Now our customers can actually use that oven. They can cook turkeys, cookies, anything they want. Another thing with this kitchen is, even though this is one of our smallest floor plans, you still get this gigantic center island with the dual sinks. Something you probably won't even see on a 42 foot coach even that other manufacturers produce. Insignia microwave and your Insignia residential 20 cubic feet refrigerator.
And the one thing that I want to point out for all of you guys watching, a lot of times we talk about a lot of storage, that's nice. But the one thing that you guys do here at DRV Luxury Suites, all of the shelves are adjustable.
Standard on our mobile suites, the hardware is gold. This one option for the black hardware, which we offer in the full house, so we're able to change those out if a customer wants.
You have a large size, king size bed with a nightstand. Immediately my eye is drawn to continued excessive amount of storage. You've got the nice TV here with the built-in integrated sound bar. Very, very nice touch for 2021. I see the MCD shades. Those are going to be standard, correct?
Correct. Another thing I like to point out that is pretty much an exclusive with the mobile suites, and we've been doing this for a very long time, is the cedar lined closet that actually takes that moisture out of the air and will eliminate the mildew and must smell on your clothes.
Awesome.